What's going on YouTube? Now, this video is going to be a short little where have I been? So I'm going to roll the intro and then I'll be right back and I'll talk to you guys. So, like I said in the intro, this video I'm going to talk to you why I haven't uploaded. Now, I've lost some... I haven't... It's hard to say. I somewhat lost some motivation to do YouTube, and I haven't lost motivation to do it. It's just the motivation and me editing videos, I get distracted, so I don't want to do it anymore. But I'm trying to get back into it. I've got a few friends that are pushing me to get going again, and maybe me starting this new job will help me afford to be able to go do things. No, I haven't forgot about you guys. I've been filming. It's just I don't want to edit it. I don't have the will, as people say. I'm here talking to you guys saying I'm gonna come back. Even if it's one video a week, it's still something. I gotta try and do one video for sure, maybe two. But I've got some things in order coming up. I've got some car parts that I'm going to show you to install if I can with my little garage. I hope you guys stick with me. I will be back. I will be uploading videos a lot more and creating content. I want to take you guys to car shows. There's a bunch coming up, so even if it's Demolition Derby, I don't know if you guys would be into that, but I'll still go and film it. So I'm sorry. I apologize for not being there when I should have, not uploading when I should have, and just coming up with content. It's hard when you're not motivated. I get distracted. I just don't have, sometimes I don't get motivated. But I will talk to you on the next one. There's gonna be more videos coming, I promise. And I will see you next time, guys. Later.